Hey, Ellen Kay here, and I love my Land Rover from Land Rover Cerritos because their commitment doesn't stop when you drive off the lot. Their expert team of certified technicians are ready to guide you through routine maintenance and more serious repairs, all while using genuine OEM Land Rover parts, so you can trust every repair is done right. They believe car care should be simple, convenient, and stress-free. That's why they offer same-day service, easy drop-offs, even off-site pickup and delivery options. You can even track your service in real time. Plus, with flexible payment plans starting at 0% and a user-friendly online scheduler, you're in control every step of the way. And if you're looking to make your Land Rover uniquely yours, they have a full catalog of genuine Land Rover parts and accessories. Owning a Land Rover should feel just as good as driving one. At Land Rover Cerritos, they're not just here to service your vehicle, they're here to serve you.